Meet Hug Bag, the 20-liter foldable bag with superpowers. When it's folded up, you can clip it on your backpack, your bike, or even around your waist, so you can take advantage of handy extra storage space that's ready to use in just 2 seconds. Once it's open, you'll be surprised at just how much it can hold and how, because Hug Bag is constructed with premium tear-proof materials and features an incredibly well-designed roll-top closure. Hug Bag is now available on Kickstarter and is destined to become your favorite partner in crime for everyday adventures. The market is flooded with foldable bags, but they are overwhelmingly cheap, small, and easy to break, often at the worst times. Plus, you can never seem to find them when you need them. Look familiar? Hug Bag takes foldable carriers to a whole new level. It's a really cool multi-function bag that you can also conveniently fold up. The compact fastening system allows you to clip your folded Hug Bag securely to just about anything. So it doesn't take up space in your bag or get lost, and it's always right where you need it. Unfolding Hug Bag is quick and easy. In just 2 seconds, it's ready to be loaded. Hug Bag is made of ripstop nylon, one of the most durable and resistant technical fabrics. So it's truly tear-proof, which means you can fill it with large and even angular loads without thinking twice. And it's water-resistant, so your stuff is sure to stay dry. And the distinctive roll-top closure, made of high-quality Cordura fabric, with a sturdy carabiner, allows for an adjustable closure for improved adaptability and space optimization. Thanks to the specially designed system of adjustable straps, you can wear it as a backpack to keep your hands free, on your shoulder or crossbody, for quick access to your contents and the secret pocket, or as a handbag for maximum volume. And thanks to the clever elastic belt system, you can even fasten it securely right onto your backpack. When you get to your destination, just empty and fold Hug Bag back up again. It's as quick and easy as unfolding. Simply roll it up, zip it, and clip closed. Cool and clippable. Hug Bag is everything you need, right where you need it. Support Hug Bag on Kickstarter now. It's great looking, versatile, and designed to last. You've finally found the perfect accomplice, guaranteed to be the foldable, unbreakable bag you'll never misplace.